You have all the weapons you need. Your fight for survival starts right now.
I'm gonna escape from here.
There's armed guards everywhere. If Blue finds out, we're dead.
We're already dead.
Begin your journey.